V for vegetables. V for violin. V for vulture. V for van. V for Venus. V for vacation. V for wet. V for volcano. V for Valentine. V for vest.